Okay, so you're trying to overcome some fear with writing this grant, huh? And right now it's really, really intimidating. Maybe this is your first one, maybe your second or third, or maybe you just got a new one that you're doing right now, but you're having to try to overcome some fear with dealing with this grant. I'm gonna share with you 3 tricks that you can use right now to kind of get over that hump so that you won't let this intimidate you. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. Let me be honest. When I first wrote my first grant proposal, it was intimidating. I was afraid. I was like, oh, this is grant writing. I felt like Lions King with Mufasa. Like, oh, this is grant writing. Oh, Mufasa. It's the same way. But guess what, my friend? You don't have to be fearful of this thing, and you can do it. So here's the thing. 3 real quick, easy tricks. 1, go try to see if you can find a sample grant proposal online doing the same thing that you're doing. Use it as a model. Now, hopefully you got a good model. So second, I would say then instead of being intimidated, try to break it into bite-sized pieces. So for instance, if you're writing a 5-page proposal, break it up. Maybe do 1 page one day. The next day do the next page. But break it up into pieces. Or here's a third one. Maybe you're better at communicating by being verbal and talking it out. Well, why don't you try getting a tape recorder and just talking your way through all the aspects of what this project is about? Just try to get it out. And let me give you just one more as a bonus. See if you can find somebody else to write the grant with you. Talk it through with them, okay? But whatever you do, don't get stuck. Just keep going because you can do this thing, and I know you can. I have a training. If you're interested, go over right now to grantwritingforbeginners.com and sign up for my training. It's going to help you. I'm going to share with you the mistakes that I made so that you won't make those mistakes and hopefully help you to get over this hump. All right? See you real soon. All the best with that grant. And don't be afraid. There's nothing to be afraid for. Okay? Bye.